Good morning, everyone, and I'm going to wait till some people hops on, and I'm going to talk about two things today. So let me wait until I get few of them. If you're watching the replay, type hashtag replay. I would appreciate that because that will help push it for others to see. That's the purpose of doing the hashtag replay, because it will bump it and also it will make others to view it. And the two things I wanted to talk about for today are one is about the skincare sampling that is going to go out. I have already started preparing them because I want them to be out by next week. As you all know, with COVID, there is a delay with USPS. So I want to have enough time for it to reach you guys, because I know many of my customers are outside Charlotte. So that's why I'm planning little ahead, because with sometimes it happens like even for first class, usually it may take like 2 or 3 days for it to reach. But as I said, with COVID, there is a delay sometimes for particular zones. So that's why I'm like I wanted to have like some buffer time, so that you all can have time to get it. And I have few steps to follow before I start. So I will first let you know the timelines, and this is how I'm going to send it. So what you will get is you will have your samples, you will have your beauty book, and you will have samples for samples to go. So you will, first thing you will have is, obviously you will have your skincare sample based on the skin type quiz you are going to take. So you will obviously have your skincare samples to go with it. I'm going to include at least two of them. That way you will have minimum, what to say, like I think each will have at least 3 uses. So roughly about you will have at least 3 days, 3 full days of supplies with this. The same way I'm going to include a climate control, which will also have each for 1 day, morning and night. The same way this will also last you the same time. So you will get that too, and you will have our favorite resurfacer sample going in. And I think, yeah, it's here. So you will also get the lip smooth and lip balm sample to go with it. And whoever is going to opt for this will get a free microfiber cloth. It's like a makeup remover cloth for yourself, and also you will be getting a scrunchie with me. So see, all these are like it will come in the package. As I said, I want that samples to be heading out by 11th of this month, because I want to add, I will not be doing them here. It will be in a separate FB group. So I want the people who are interested to be. Hi Sushma, thank you so much for joining, and good morning, and enjoy a great summer. As you said, it's your first day. I know many of you have already started your summers for the kids, but we are still 1 week away. Next week by this time our summer starts. So I'm looking forward for it. It's going to be the shortest summer of ours, because I don't know how it's going to go, because we were supposed to have a convention here, but yesterday night there was a conversation going on saying that the convention is not going to be in Charlotte. So we have to see, because if the convention is going to be here, we were supposed to open August 17th itself, or else it's usually we open only by August 24th. So let's see how it goes. As I was talking, it's going to be by February 16th. I want to add you guys, whoever have applied to that FB group. It's a separate FB group, that way the routine from this one will not be disturbed, and that party goes from 17th to 20th, and there will be so many prizes for participating. As I said, you don't have to buy anything you try. It is just to there are prizes just for participating, and the winners will be announced by June 29th. So that's the schedule for this skincare program. So if you are still interested, I have spots opened, so you can always reach out to me, and I can very well send the package. I have almost like getting ready with everything. So that's the first thing. And second thing I wanted to talk about is the new distributor kit. As you all know, I was talking about the free sign up for past few months. So far, even from the day I joined, from the day it was there was, when you sign up as a distributor or for personal use, you don't get anything. It is like, as I always say, it's like the warehouse membership or like a Amazon membership. You don't get anything for that price. That's what so far it was done, whether it's a free sign up or a paid one. So far it used to be $55 for 1 year, and every year it used to be the renewal fees. But they have come up with a new kit where they have given two options. One sec, let me go ahead and grab one. Yeah, sorry about that. The new distributor kit was now, if you sign up to be a distributor or for your personal use, it is going to be for $65. But for $65, you will get some products along with it. So that's a bigger change. They also gave two choices. If you have seen my videos during, there used to be an offer called, when you sign up, you get a free lip kit. I think the lip kit came with all these 6 colors. I think I have a video too in the group where I have shown the colors. I have even the colors in, mixed them or layered them. There will be too many combos that's available there. What they did is, when you sign up, now you are going to get 3 colors of your choice. So there are 2 choices. The one choice is like soft neutrals, and the other one is, I don't know, have something else it's called. So it's the one choice was caramel apple, sheerberry, bella. This would be the one if I had to choose, if I was signing up. So all 3 are like perfect first shades. As I always say, bella was like a universal shade which everyone can wear. Sheerberry was like my top seller for quite a long time, and then the same way as caramel apple. So it is like you can pick all 3 colors, and the other choice was like Dawn Rising, Love It, and Bombshell. So it is like you can either pick if you are a lover of very soft colors, or you want more of like a brownish nudes kind of. So these are the 6 colors choices, and you will be able to pick one group. You cannot choose between them. It is like either this group or the other group. And the only difference is they will be coming in the tester size, not the full size. So these are some of the recent ones, which is like the Shadow Sun size. So instead of the bigger one, you will get the colors in this size, but the size difference is not that much if you consider this is 0.25 ounce and this is 0.20 ounce. So still it's almost more than 4 by 5/5 of it. That's how I consider. But you still get a full size gloss and glossy gloss and full size remover. So for example, consider like this. Usually if you are buying a starter kit like this was for $55. So one color with a glossy gloss and remover, you used to pay $55. Instead, now for $65 you get like another 2 colors with 2 full size. So that's the one. And also they made a, and not only that, you also get your what else, your skincare samples, I think Glossy Gloss samples and Joni's book, all those which used to come along. And since this offer was not before, they have extended for everybody who is a distributor. Either you have signed up earlier or even during the free months, you still get an option to buy this kit during this time only for June. So if you are interested, you can still buy the kit. I'm going to give a try too, but that's what, like you are not going to lose anything, because with the Glossy Gloss and the remover being full size, it is almost like you are getting more benefit of it. And the Skincare Pro certification things are finally up and ready. So most probably I think I will roll out maybe end of month. That is the other thing I have to gear up. So this month is going to be busy for me. The whole month something or the other is going on. And the other thing was, I wanted to do a live sale. I wanted to do when most of you are available. I can do on a weekend, like a Friday night, or I can even do like Saturday or Sunday morning. I prefer morning because I can show the color. Like for example, if I show the color even here, you will be able to see it clearly than if I show it in when it was dark. So that's why I prefer to do them in the morning. But it's not only with Lipsons, I'm talking about like entire skincare and everything. So if you have any preference, you can always ping me. I am trying to make a poll so that I can get an idea on which day or which time works. So I would say maybe Saturday or Sunday mornings would work much better for many of you, because I know weekday mornings you all will be busy with kids and office work and all. So if you are okay with Saturday or Sunday, let's do it on one day this week or something. So that's all for today's video. This is what I wanted to talk about, because yesterday went all day just by picking each order and based on the skin type and doing that. If you are participating in the skincare thing, as I said, there is no purchase necessary. Anytime when you try the products, that's one thing with trying these. You are just going to pay for the shipping and handling for these samples, but other than that you are not obligated to buy anything. So always free to give a try. These are just to give an idea on how it feels on your skin, because how much ever I talk about it, until you feel it, like when you apply it, you can see the difference. For example, if you have a dry skin, applying climate control even with this, just with this, will make sure you won't have any dry patches at all. You will be immediately able to notice those differences. And the same way with Lip Smooth or Resurfacer, even if you are not comfortable doing on your face, you can just use your back of your hand, because that is what for Skincare Pro also we are going to do. Once you sign up for the Skincare Pro, even if you think your skin is sensitive and you are worried to try, we are not going to try on your face at all. You are just going to try in your hands to see how it feels. Yes, Sushma. Because see, for you and all, when you order, I always used to send it across, but I will ping you separately with the details too. So it is mostly to learn about more about it and have a feel of it. As I was saying, you are going to just try it on your hand. The reason they ask you to try on your hand is you will be able to compare both of them. That way you can see the difference on how much, even after one use, you can see the difference between the hand you did and the one you didn't do. So that is the reason you participate in these and learn about the products more than buying it. It is like once you learn the process, and once you learn how to use them, you will get maximum benefits out of it, because these are designed to work in certain way if you are using it. Because with the hair care, I always used to mention, it is not like the product you just grab and grow. It is more like a treatment. So once you use it regularly and properly, you will start seeing the results. And any skincare or any hair care, please give it at least 6 weeks time before you come to a judgment. Because I think for workout also, they always used to say, I think it takes 4 weeks for you to notice, the same way it takes 6 weeks for others to notice. And so it is like that, it has to have the time to settle in and start showing the results. Because when you introduce something new, your body and mind has to adjust, and you have to be consistent. So whether it's your diet, whether it's your workout, or whether it's your new skincare regime, you need to give it a time and be consistent about it. So that's all about it. And as I said, if you are still interested, please always reach out to me. I'll be happy to answer any questions. And don't feel like you are obligated. Even if you ask a question, it's never I will never force you into anything until you are ready. So that's about it. Have a wonderful day. See you all soon.